This is the 2016 Hurricane at 36 foot. This is the bunk that's operated by this control switch right here. So you just push this and it goes up. As you can see here. The driver's seat and the passenger seat right here. So that's fully up, and it has bars right here on both sides for safety locks. This has a table up here that extends out. Everything looks like it's in good condition. Seats look like they're in good condition. Seats look like they're in good condition. We got plenty of space in the living room, plenty of space in the kitchen. You have an oven, regular microwave, lots of cooking space. You have your refrigerator right here. Everything looks like it's in good shape. Looks like you have a small pantry right here that slides out. You have a shower. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. You have your bunk beds right here. It looks good. You have your TV right here for the people in the bunks. You have your AC that controls this unit right here. TV. Looks like this is a king size bed. Plenty of wardrobe space. This is in great shape.